are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, cold weather package, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, compass, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, CD player, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.